Good morning, everyone. This is Vidinesh from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, Standard 4th Maths teacher. Today we are continuing with question number 3 of chapter Fractions. Write in ascending order, C part. So, children, these 4 fractional numbers are given to us, and we have to arrange them in ascending order. As I taught you previously, to arrange them in ascending or descending, we have to see whether the denominators are same or not. But here denominators are different. That means they are unlike fractions. To make the denominator same, what do? We take the LCM of the denominator. So that's I'm taking 3, 9, 12 and 6. We will start with the table of 2. In table of 2, 3 does not come, it will come as it is. 9 does not come, it will come as it is. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now, again table of 2, in table of 2, 3 does not come, 9 does not come, 2 3s are 6 and 3 will come as it is. Again, now 2, no number comes in the table of 2, now we will go with table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now again table of 3, 3 1s are 3. Fine. Now how many 2? 2 2. So 2 multiply by 2 and how many 3? 2 times 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So LCM is 36. Fine. Now I am copying the first fractional number 2 upon 3. In table of 3, 36 comes. Yes. When 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Right. That means 3 12s or 12 3s are 36. So I am doing 12 3s are 36. Fine. If denominator we are multiplying with 12, so numerator also with 12. Fine. Now I am copying the other fractional number 9. In table of 9, 36 comes. Yes, 9 4s are 36. If denominator we are multiplying with 4, numerator also with 4. Fine. Now next is 12. In 12, just now I told you in table of 12, 3 12s or 12 3s are same. So 12 3s are, if denominator we are multiplying with 3, numerator also with 3. Now 6. In table of 6, when 36 comes, 6 6 are 36. If denominator we are multiplying with 6, numerator also with 6. Now 12 2s are or 2 12s are 24. 3 12s are 36. 4 4s are 16. 9 4s are 36. 5 3s are 15. 12 3s are 36. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. Clear? Now the denominators are same. That means all are in a like fraction. Fine. So when the denominators are same, what do? We always compare with the numerator place, numerator number. So ascending order we are doing. Ascending means small to big. So 24, 16, 15 and 30. Which one is the smaller among all? 15 upon 36. Okay. I am writing 15 upon 36. It is at which place? At 5 upon 12 place. And what is greater after 15? 16 upon 36. It is at which place? 4 upon 9, second place. Then 24 upon 36. 24 upon 36 is at which place? 2 upon 3. Then last is 30 upon 36. It is at which place? 5 upon 6. Okay, hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, now next part D1, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 14. I'm sorry, D1 by mistake I have done wrong. Okay. Just a minute. D1 is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 15, 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 20. Now denominators are different, so what do? We will find out the LCM of all the denominators. 5, 15, 10 and 20. 5, 15, 10 and 20. First of all, we will start with the table of 2. What we are doing? We are finding LCM. So in table of 2, 5 does not come, 15 does not come, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20. Fine. Then again 2, 5 will come as it is, 15 will come as it is, 2 5s are 10. Fine. Now no number comes in the table of 2. Now we will start any number which goes in table of 3. Yes, 15. So 3 5s are 15. And then all number 5 goes in the table of 5. Fine. So 2 times 2, then 3, then 5. So 2 times 2, then 3, then 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM is 60. Clear? Now I am taking first fractional number 1 upon 5. In table of 5, when 60 comes, you can divide and check, but 15 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60, yes, or 5 12s are also 60. If 5 12s are 60, 12 5s are 60, same. Okay, I am doing 5 12s are 60. If denominator we are multiplying with 12, numerator also with 12. Okay, now next one, 2 upon 15. In table of 15, when 60 comes, 15 4s are, right? So numerator also we are multiplying with 4. Then in table of 10, when 60 comes, 10 6s are 60. So numerator also with 6. Fine. In table of 20, when 60 comes, 20 3s are 60. So numerator also with 3. Clear? So 1 12s are 12, 5 12s are 60, 2 4s are 8, 15 4s are 60, 3 6s are 18, 10 6s are 60, 7 3s are 21, 23s are 60. Fine. Now children, all the denominators are same. That means they are like fraction. So when the denominators are same, we always compare with the numerator place. So which one is the smallest among all? 8 upon 60. Okay. It is at which place? At 2 upon 15's place. Right. So I am writing 2 upon 15. Then 12 upon 60 is greater. It is at 1 upon 5 place. Then 18 upon 60. So it is at which place? 3 upon 10. Then 21 upon 60. It is at which place? 7 upon 20. Okay, hope it is clear to all everyone. In this way you have to do all these sums. Okay, thank you children.